can see the.
Yeah. You know, they're definitely better than they were.
Oh, yeah.
So,
On the way over here, I was visualizing how big it used to be. It used to be really big.
yeah, it used to cover this
The whole-
entire area here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now we're just dealing with this little one still up here, maybe.
Maybe it's gone, we hope.
Yeah, we'll see.
I'll keep it in the
Okay.
thing here. Yeah. I don't, oh, see, I can't see close enough.
Did I just write that?
Yeah.
Anyway.
Yeah. Yeah. So can you see one there? The one you just did before?
I don't have all the callus off at
Okay.
the top.
Hey. No, on the way over here, I thought about how big it used to be.
Yes.
And we did initially you referred me to someone who zapped it, Dr. Cho, I think.
The dermatology.
Dermatology.
Yeah, because we used to have that laser and we don't anymore.
Yeah. And then she was going to use, she was going to do something that was going to be really painful for me. The shot or something.
Bleomycin or
Yeah.
Canthrone, one or the other.
Yeah.
This looks like it blistered nicely here.
Oh, good.
That's a good sign, all of this. Yeah, because this is normal skin here now.
I'm so glad that you're continuing to see me during this time. And that we're going forward with this.
Well, it's mostly gone now, which is nice.
Yeah. I like being able to see what you're doing. I remember killing it with essential oil, and this big thing would peel off, but I'm sure another one was growing right behind it.
Most likely. What essential oil did you try?
Okay, you would have to ask me. Just a second. I tried one, the typical ones like sandalwood and
Tea tree.
yeah, stuff like that. But then my friend was doing essential oils, and she sent me.
Propolis?
Say that again.
Propolis?
No, we did lemon and like some sort of a pine tree. I've still got them at home. They smelled better. I enjoyed using them. And they seemed to work better. And they were a different brand. I think I was using essential oils that weren't as strong as they needed to be.
So the only place where I'm still seeing wart tissue
Yep.
is this little one right here,
Okay.
the one next to it right here, and then a little bit right there. So those are the three we're gonna hit up today.
Okay. How's the big toe?
Big toe is still gone.
Good. Good.
All right, so we got those three spots we wanna hit, and
They don't look all, of course, you don't have the same lighting as we did on the other film. They don't look as buggy.
what do you mean when you say buggy?
They were
Sticking out?
little striped things. Little, maybe,
No, I don't think,
maybe I need to look at it again on the video. I don't,
right, because what we're looking at again, when we're looking at these, is, yeah, we're looking at the area where you can see kind of a shell that it formed around itself, right there.
okay.
And when we're talking about the fingerprint lines, the fingerprint lines are interrupted, they don't go through there. So if you see the fingerprint lines will stop and then they'll pick up again up there. So I don't know if that's the stripy thing you're talking about
I'm gonna have to look at that thing.
and see what you were thinking, yeah. Okay.
I might have not been seeing right. I'm just glad that they're going to go away.
And they will. They just take time, so.
If we didn't protect the skin that was around them, what would happen?
It would blister also, and it would be pretty painful.
Okay,
So we wanna, yeah, so we're just protecting the good skin.
that's a littler one. I thought there was 3.
Well, there are
Oh,
two
the
in
two are
here.
right together.
Right.
Gotcha. Yeah, I was thinking they were bigger than when you were describing them when we were looking at them. But they're not as big as I thought. That makes me happy. Good.
Yeah, I mean, we're definitely down to about a fourth or a fifth of what we started with.
Yeah. I can see that, but I cannot feel it.
All right, now just to address some of the comments that were in there about, oh my God, why are you doing that without gloves on? Notice that I'm not touching anything that's bleeding or any bodily fluids, and it's really hard to work with anything with adhesive with gloves on.
Yeah.
So, it's not being careless.
No. I had a shower last night just before I went to bed. So,
Yeah, and you know, it's fine to touch somebody without a glove on.
yeah.
You don't want to touch any bodily fluids without a glove on, but otherwise we'd all be wearing gloves to shake hands, right? But I guess nobody's shaking hands anymore.
Well, this darn coronavirus is so disruptive socially. I'm so frustrated.
I know, but also to be clear, you have not been going out shopping. In the last video, you had said that you've got a few stores that you go to.
Yeah, but
You
I
meant
go.
like the grocery store and the pharmacy, right?
No, well, only that I don't need any drugs, so I just go to the grocery store. And I go like every 2 weeks, so it's
Yeah.
not a big deal.
Right,
And when I go, there's nobody there.
right.
It's midday.
All right, well, thank you for letting us video this again.
Yeah,
And we'll maybe do the next
Thank
one,
you.
next couple when they're gone even more.
good. Thank you.